Hi guys, in last section we had discussed about how to import CSV file. Now in this section we will run some query to populate data from tables. To start with that, just click database administration and just click the contact table. So we can write our query on this text box. So what you have to do, suppose this is a query where what we are doing, we are just retrieving all the data from contact table. So db.contact id is greater than 0 means all the record from our database. Now you can update this query here, or you just can give contact id equal to 17 and submit. So contact id will be written as 17. Now you can update this thing like first name equal to James and run this query. Some error is there, it should be equal to submit. See, it will come like this. Now you can put AND operation also, and you can do append one more query dot contact dot last name equal to just run. So this guy will come. Okay, there is one more or operator also there. So we just run this query and see some more condition, put some more condition. So we just put the same query, we just county equal to or is this operator, sorry, pipe sign, or compose butler, submit. So this two record has came. So that way we can append, like we can append the query using AND or operator. So there are many operators are there, so you can go and view those things. One more thing is there. Start with db dot suppose first name dot, this is Python function, so you can write dot start with first name, start with we just can put a, any first name start with a, okay, and run this query. Some error is coming, just see db.contact id dot first name dot starts with, I think this is, so any first name which is starting with a, those record will come here. Now I tell you how to insert a new record. So just go back here just click new record, just put like Anil Jain, company XYZ, address ABC, city Bangalore, county Bangalore, state name K, 560110, phone number 12345678, 12345678, email aj@gmail.com, website www.aj.com. so that way you can create a new record. Okay, submit. So new record is inserted. So when you go to design, database admission, DB contacts, so this is one new record will be created, Anil Jain. Okay, now how to update the, if you want to update some value, suppose this, for contact ID equal to 29, I want to update, suppose city equal to, now I put Mumbai and submit. So that way, so one record is updated. It was a Bangalore, now it's become Mumbai. So that way you can update the record. Similarly, you want to delete some record, just select this checkbox, just cancel it. Okay, you want to delete, you just remove this condition, and you want to delete this contact. It will just, when pop-up will come, you want to delete, just submit and submit. Now just here run this query, that record is got deleted. See, record number 29 is not present. So in next section we'll discuss how to export the data in different format. Thank you.